No?
Hello, my name is Rosa Lola Puro Meses, and we talk about the solar home.
One advantage of the solar rover is that it is free, it doesn't emit carbon dioxide, and it is sure for the children.
Another advantage of the solar home is that we can use it with the solar energy. We don't use the electricity, and it is contaminating for the environment.
The making process of the solar oven is made up by different steps. In each step, all the components of the group should be because as a result, the solar oven can function correctly. The different steps are: first, to choose two boxes with the perfect size and shape, like this box. Second, we have to make a hole in the bottom of the bigger boxes, like this hole. Third, we have to close the bottom of the biggest boxes with a tape. Fourth, we have to cover the faces of the boxes with aluminium. The inner and the outer boxes, faces of the inner box, and the inner faces of the outer box. And finally, we have to, with the newspaper, make balls for making an isolated material. And then Lola is going to do.
The next step is to put the paper balls in the bottom of the bigger box. Then you have to paint the bottom of the smaller box with black. With a cable, you make a bar to hold the upper of the big table up. And then you paint it like you want.
And now we are going to prove the solar oven. We are introduce a piece of sheet inside the box and looking for the sun.
And finally, this is the result.